falling for you.
Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Yeah, we thank God for such a beautiful day, so we want to prepare some Ghanaian Irish Stew. That is Mpotompoto or Mpiihuu. Yeah. So these are my basic ingredients. Yes, we have some carrots. Yeah, this is Mpotompoto with the class, contemporary Mpotompoto. I hope you understand. Yeah, and then I have my fresh tomatoes and some salted fish. That is momone. You can also choose to use kobe. Yeah, and then I also have my scotch bonnet pepper, yellow and green, and then my Maggi tablets. And then I have some salt to taste and my adobo. Yeah, this is my mise en place. I have ginger, garlic, onions, shallots blended, and yeah, that's it, with some scallions blended together. And then I have some tolu beef. Yes, this is beef, salted mutton. Yeah, I have my amane, also known as dried herrings. I hope you understand. Yeah, and then of course the major ingredients, cocoyam. Yeah, you can choose to use yam, you can choose to use potatoes, but I prefer the cocoyam. It's the sweetest for me. Yeah, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, the comments. Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing and welcome to Tasty and Fresh, where we ignite your appetite. Alright, so please join me. Let's put everything together step by step. Ghanaian Irish Stew, Mpotompoto, Evee, contemporary one. I hope you understand. I'll peel my cocoyam. Now, after prepping all my ingredients, I'll start with my soup first. So this is my beef. Then I add my fish. Then I add my blended stuff. Then I add some water to it. No adding of salt to it because the beef is already salted. So I'll just add some water to it for it to cook. Then I add my momone or salted fish. It's optional, please. That's me the menu, so I'll add it to it, and then it gives it some nice flavor. And then I also put my carrots in. The carrots are 2. I'll blend 1 and then I'll chop 1. Contemporary Mpiihuu. And then I also put my tomatoes and my peppers for it to boil together with the base. Yes, not to say everything is infused. You know, the flavors and everything are infused into the dish. Yeah. And I add my adobo to it. No adding of lots of spices because it shouldn't be too spicy. And please always remember, the beef and the salted fish are already salted, so you don't add salt. My tomatoes and carrots and then the peppers are okay for me for blending, so I'll take them from the soup. And the smell is, you need to be here. contemporary Mpiihuu. When we were growing up, our mummies would do Mpiihuu for us, but without carrots. But here you see the internet babes, contemporary ladies, working class ladies. We are changing everything, but at the end we arrive at the same dish. I add my cocoyam. I add 1 tablespoon of powdered herrings or dried herrings. Then I add my palm oil. You can use a potato masher to mash, or you can also do it this way like I'm doing. Yeah, I prefer this way because I don't want it too mashed. Yeah, I want it chunky. And beside me enjoy cocoyam. So I add my carrots. This is a 1-pot dish. Yeah, so it needs to be great so that everybody can enjoy it. And it is very good for kids because it's mashed. Children enjoy it. At this moment, our Ghanaian Irish Stew, aka Cocoyam Pottage or Cocoyam Porridge, also known as Mpiihuu or Mpotompoto, is ready. Yellow. As we can see, our Mpotompoto is ready. In fact, I can't wait to taste. So try your hands on and then send me a comment. Thank you for watching this video.